Many people feel nervous when they call customer service in English. On the phone, you cannot see the other person's face. You only hear the voice. If the agent speaks too fast, it is easy to feel stressed. This happened to Raj when his new phone stopped charging. He tried different cables but nothing worked. Finally, he called customer service. The agent greeted him politely and Raj explained, "My phone is not charging." He kept his sentences short and simple. When the agent asked for the serial number, Raj did not understand. Instead of guessing, he asked politely, "Could you repeat that slowly?" The agent explained and Raj checked his phone. He said, "One moment please," to show he was still listening. Sometimes Raj forgot words. For example, instead of charger, he described it as the small device that gives power to the phone. The agent understood. When the agent spoke too quickly, Raj asked him to slow down. He also repeated important details like Green Mall, second floor, to confirm. At the end, Raj thanked the agent and said goodbye politely. He realized he did not need perfect English, just simple phrases, patience, and confidence.